Today we're talking pesto, how to put your mark on your pesto and throw the rule book out when it comes to making pesto. My name's Dominique Ludwig, I'm a nutritionist. Pesto is so versatile, you can use it on cheese, tofu, fish, chicken, just about anything it livens up. So I tend to change the greens that I use because that gives it a different flavour. So I always start with about 80 grams of grated parmesan. To that I add 1 garlic clove, about 80 grams of basil or whatever greens you're using. This one I'm going to use basil and rocket. Now I just know that that's about 80 grams. You don't have to be exact. This time I'm using walnuts because I just prefer them in there actually. I just prefer walnuts. And then about 150 mils of extra virgin olive oil. You don't get that when you buy it from the supermarket. They say they use rapeseed oil because it's milder, but we all know that olive oil is better for you, so why wouldn't you put it in there? Then we add some salt. So you can pretty much use any greens in your pesto, whether it's watercress, spinach, kale, a mixture of herbs. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you want to use. You can also choose your seeds and nuts, whether it's pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, cashew nuts, Brazil nuts. You get to choose. So let's whiz it on. When it comes out, it's lush and green. To stop your pesto going brown on top, put a layer of extra virgin olive oil